Hey everybody, Mark here with iAppleTech128 Videos, and today I'm going to do the unboxing and review of the USB power adapter. Let's get started. You can pick this up in the Apple Store for around $20 before tax, $19 to be exact. On the front of the box we have a picture of the actual thing. As you can see, it says the USB power adapter. Nothing on the side and top, and on the other side it says it's compatible with iPhone and iPod, not iPad. I don't know why. And then on the bottom you have this green sticker, and before you open it, make sure there's that green sticker, because that means if there's no green sticker, that means it wasn't certified by Apple and it's not safe to plug into your wall, so you need to check before you do that. Inside you have the power brick, the USB power adapter. There's some information about the adapter, how to use it and everything. I think it's pretty self-explanatory though. And you get that standard 1-year Apple limited warranty information guide. Let's get to the adapter. So just pop this out of the little tray. Sorry, it's not in the camera. There we go. There, you slide it right out. And then just peel off the plastic. Try and find the thing first. There it is. Pull that off. Sticking everywhere. There we go. Okay, and there's the power brick. So as we look around it, you see it's a shiny white, very nice and glossy. And as you can see right there, there's that green dot. Like I said before, if the green dot's not on there, return it and get a new one. And then, so around the side it's glossy. Get that USB port, and then the AC port right there. So now let's get on to the review part. So all you have to do is just plug your adapter into an outlet like I have here, or a power strip, doesn't really matter, just like that. And then grab a USB cable. It doesn't really matter which type of cable, as long as it's USB. And then all you have to do is just grab something that you can charge it with. For example, I'm just going to charge my iPhone 4S, and if I can get the port open. Of course, it never goes in when it's on video. And then you just put it in right there, and you're good to go. Overall, I'm very impressed with this adapter. You get it for free with an iPhone, and you get that one, the big one, for free with your iPad. So, just a comparison right there. So, you can definitely see the size difference. And just so you know, they're different wattage and volts, and so that's what the size is. And just a comparison again right there. And the only thing about the small one is it doesn't have that adapter to plug in your international plug or an extension cable like you would get with your MacBook. So that's the only downfall, but still it's a very nice adapter, and you can charge your iPad, iPad mini, iPhone, or iPod touch with it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video if you did like it. If you didn't like it, just walk away. Don't click that dislike button. And be sure to subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions, sure to leave them in the comment section below. I will do my best to get back to you. If you also want to, you can email us. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.